Hello everyone, and welcome to Travel with Damal Consult. Today, I'm thrilled to discuss an exciting opportunity for remote workers, particularly those in the tech industry, the Canada Digital Nomad Visa. Canada has introduced a unique pathway that allows remote workers to come and work in the country for up to 6 months, while also exploring job opportunities. What makes this pathway remarkable is its flexibility. There's no age limit, no educational credential assessment, ECA required, no need for an international English language testing system, IELTS exam, no minimum income level, and no comprehensive ranking system, CRS score needed. The cost of the visa is exceptionally low, and the processing time is incredibly fast, with applicants receiving their visas in just 28 working days. This initiative is part of Canada's effort to promote itself as a destination for digital nomads. Under the Digital Nomad Visa, individuals only need a visitor visa to relocate to Canada for 6 months. During this time, applicants can explore job opportunities and even apply for a work permit or permanent residence along with their family members. The process is streamlined, allowing you to meet Canadian employers, accept job offers, and seamlessly transition to living and working in Canada. This innovative pathway provides the flexibility to work remotely while searching for employment, ensuring a smooth transition for digital nomads. The prospect of obtaining a job offer in Canada opens up avenues for permanent residency, making this an attractive and straightforward route to experiencing life and work in Canada. The 28-day processing time adds to the efficiency of this program, making it a swift and convenient process. Families are welcome, and dependents can also explore job opportunities during their stay. This stands out as the shortest and easiest route to realize your dream of living and working in Canada. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the specifics and benefits of the Canada Digital Nomad Visa. Benefits of applying for the Canada Digital Nomad Visa. No age limit. The Canada Digital Nomad Visa offers the unique advantage of having no age limit, providing an inclusive opportunity for individuals across various age groups. No language test requirement. Applicants are not burdened with language proficiency tests like IELTS, simplifying the application process and making it accessible to a broader audience. No CRS score or point system. Unlike other immigration pathways, there is no comprehensive ranking system, CRS, score or point system to navigate, ensuring a straightforward and stress-free application process. No educational credential assessment, ECA. The Digital Nomad Visa streamlines the process by eliminating the need for an educational credential assessment, recognizing the diverse skills and experiences of applicants. Swift 28 days processing time. One of the standout benefits is the remarkably fast processing time of just 28 days, no draws or waiting periods, active job search within Canada, in-person interview attendance. Applicants have the privilege of attending in-person interviews, fostering a more direct and personalized interaction with the immigration process. Conversion to work or study. Permit. The flexibility extends to the ability to convert the Digital Nomad Visa into a work permit or study permit, offering longer-term options for individuals who choose to continue their stay in Canada. In order to qualify for the Canada Digital Nomad Visa, there are several eligibility criteria that applicants need to meet. Firstly, you must either be employed or self-employed by a Canadian employer with a remote job. If you're self-employed, it's crucial to demonstrate the ability to work remotely on a global scale. This requirement recognizes the nature of digital nomad work, which often involves working with clients or employers from different parts of the world. Secondly, you must be capable of performing your job responsibilities remotely with restrictions on frequent travel. This requirement ensures that the Digital Nomad Visa is used for its intended purpose, to allow individuals to work remotely while staying in Canada. Thirdly, you need to have sufficient funds to support yourself and your family for at least 6 months. This requirement is in place to ensure that you can live comfortably in Canada without needing to rely on public funds. And lastly, you must provide proof of accommodations for the entire duration of your stay. This could be in the form of a rental agreement, a letter from a friend or relative you'll be staying with, or a booked hotel reservation. Remember, fulfilling all these criteria doesn't guarantee visa approval, but it significantly improves your chances. It's essential to provide accurate and honest information during the application process to ensure a smooth and successful visa application. As we delve deeper into the Canada Digital Nomad Visa application process, it's important to understand the financial obligations involved. Applying for the Digital Nomad Visa comes with a cost, which is currently set at $100 Canadian. This fee is non-refundable and is required to process your application. In addition to the application fee, there's also a biometrics fee. The biometrics fee, which covers the cost of collecting fingerprints and a photo at a biometric collection service point, is $85 Canadian. This is a crucial part of the application process, as Canada uses biometrics to verify the identity of applicants, ensuring a secure and efficient immigration process. Bear in mind that these fees are subject to change, and it's always a good idea to check the official website for the most current information. So as you prepare to embark on your digital nomad journey in Canada, ensure you've budgeted adequately for these costs, along with your living expenses and accommodation costs. It's all part of making your transition to a Canadian digital nomad as smooth and stress-free as possible. As we move forward, let's discuss the essential documentation required for your Canada Digital Nomad Visa application. The paperwork is a critical part of your application, and it's crucial to get it right to avoid any delays or rejections. 1. 6 months bank statements. This document is necessary to provide proof of your financial stability. It shows that you have enough resources to sustain your stay in Canada. 2. Offer letter and payslips from your current remote employer. This is to validate your employment status and income. The Canadian immigration authorities need to be sure you have a stable job that can support your lifestyle in Canada. 3. CV and cover letter. These documents are crucial to showcase your skills, qualifications, and experiences. Make sure they are updated and well-structured. 4. Work experience and reference. Letter. These serve as evidence of your professional background. They add credibility to your application and increase your chances of approval. 5. House lease or proof of accommodation. This is to confirm that you have a place to stay during your time in Canada. It could be a lease agreement or a letter from your host if you're staying with someone. If you need assistance in editing your CV and cover letters to fit the Canadian format, you can reach out via email at damalconsult08@gmail.com, WhatsApp at +2 348 1010 66191, or on Instagram at damalconsult. Remember, every document counts towards your application's success, so ensure they are all in order before submitting your application. Now, let's tackle some frequently asked questions about the Canada Digital Nomad Visa. These are based on common queries we've received, which will hopefully clear up any confusion you may have. 1. Is the Canada Digital Nomad Visa the same as the Canada Visitor Visa? No, they are not the same but share some similarities. The Digital Nomad Visa grants a 6-month visa, and the application process will lead you to the Visitor Visa 1. Is there a need for police clearance and medical check? Yes, it is advisable to submit police clearance and undergo a medical check to increase your chances with IRCC. 1. Can I be self-employed and apply for the Canada Digital Nomad Visa? Yes, but you must show proof that your self-employed business allows you work remotely. 1. Do I need to have medical travel insurance? Yes, having medical travel insurance is necessary to enhance your chances. 1. Do I need to have travel history? It is not compulsory, but having travel history can increase your chances. 1. Is it for any remote work? No, the Canada Digital Nomad Visa is primarily for highly skilled tech individuals, aligning with Canada's tech talent strategy. Check if your profession falls under the in-demand tech occupations in the province you plan to visit. 1. Do visa-exempt countries need to apply for this? No, if you are from a visa-exempt country, you do not need to apply. 1. Is it exactly 28 days to get the Canada Digital Nomad Visa? The IRCC website mentions a processing time from 28 days to 2 months, offering flexibility within this time frame. 1. Can I convert to PR on a Canada Digital Nomad Visa? Yes, under specific eligibility criteria such as being sponsored by an employer or meeting criteria like express entry, RNIP, AIP, or starting your own business in Canada. 1. Can I convert to a work permit? Yes, if an employer provides an offer, you can convert to a work permit. 1. Can my wife apply for an open work permit? And can my child study on a digital nomad visa? No, as you only have a visitor status. They can do so if you or your wife find employment and convert to a work permit within 6 months. 1. Will previous visa denials reduce my chances of getting a Canada Digital Nomad Visa? Yes, it will. In this scene, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process you need to follow to apply for a Canada Digital Nomad Visa. This process is designed to make your application as smooth as possible, so let's dive in. 1. Check your eligibility. The first step in the application process is to ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. We've discussed these requirements in detail in Scene 3, so make sure you've ticked all the boxes before proceeding to the next step. 2. Arrange required documents. Start gathering all the necessary documents for your application. These were outlined in Scene 5. Remember, it's crucial to provide complete and accurate information to avoid any delays or complications in your application process. 3. Apply online via IRCC portal. Once you've gathered all your documents, you can apply for the Digital Nomad Visa through the official IRCC portal. We've included the link in the video description below. 1. Submit application and pay fee. After filling out the online application, you'll need to submit it and pay the required fee. We've discussed the costs associated with the application in Scene 4, so make sure you're prepared for this step. 1. Get visa decision within 28 days. After submitting your application and paying the required fee, you can expect to receive your visa decision within 28 days. However, as we mentioned in the previous scene, the processing time can vary, so be patient and prepare for your journey to Canada once your visa is approved. Stay tuned for our closing remarks in the next scene. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide on the Canada Digital Nomad Visa, we'd like to remind you to click the notification bell to stay updated on more videos like this one. To our dedicated returning subscribers, we appreciate your continued support. If you're new to our channel, we encourage you to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it useful. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments section below. Whether you have questions, need clarification, or simply want to share your experience, don't hesitate to drop us a line. We value your feedback and use it to shape future content. Do you have any specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Let us know in the comments. Your input helps us ensure we're delivering the content you find most valuable. Thank you for being an integral part of our community. We look forward to continuing to provide you with informative and engaging content. Stay tuned for more, and as always, safe travels.